Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to mirror your Android screen's phone to your PC. So I have scoured the internet, and there are many ways in order to mirror your Android uh, phone screen to your PC. So there are Android apps uh, coupled with a Windows application, and you can now mirror, and that makes you mirror your Android's phone. But I've found the easiest way, at least for me, the easiest way. So you just need to download a desktop application, and no Android application necessary on your phone. Just connect your phone to your PC, and it will automatically mirror your uh, phone screen. So you need to search for the app called SCRCPY. So you just type it in your Google, and uh, the first result that will appear will be this one, Jenny Mobile SCRPI. It's actually a GitHub a file. It's a GitHub file. So you click that one. So this is GitHub. If you have a GitHub, then maybe you can relate how GitHub works, but I'm not gonna discuss that in this video. So this is Jenny Mobile. It's basically a developer. Uh, the description, I don't know. There's no nice name for its application, but essentially it can display and control your Android device. So aside from mirroring your phone's screen, it can actually control your Android device. So you just need to scroll down and look for the Get the App, and under the Get the App, Windows. So if you're working in Windows, you go to the Windows section. If you're working in you're using Linux, then download the Linux version. So for Windows users, in which most of us are, so you download this zip file. So you download this zip file, and once you have downloaded that zip file, you extract it. You extract all of its contents to a folder, and this folder will look like this: SCRCPY Win64 version 1.16. So the contents of the folder, your extracted folder, will be like this, and this is the application, SCRCPY application. So what you need to do in order to mirror your Android phone screen, so here's my phone, is to first enable USB debugging in your phone. So I'm just gonna show that step later when I've already mirrored my phone screen. So once you have enabled USB debugging on your phone, just connect your phone to your PC via a USB cable, and once that is connected, you can now you just click the application, SCRCPY application, and since my phone is already debugged, or sorry, the USB debugging option is already set, then it will automatically mirror my phone's screen. So here's my phone, and this is the mirrored screen on my PC. So this is the name of my PC. So I just set it to full screen as of now. So first things first, let's get that USB debugging setting done. So click on your settings, go to about phone, and actually it varies from different Android devices. So you click the UI version of your phone. Sometimes it's also the Android version, so whichever. So you try clicking any of those two numerous times. So if I click the MUI version, oh, there's a prompt that no need, you already are a developer, because I've already enabled this, the developer option. So you just click this multiple times, and once you have done that, you go to your developer settings. So I find it hard finding the developer settings, so I'm just gonna search the developer setting. Okay, developer options. So once you're a developer, this will now be ticked. This, what do you call this box? This option will now be ticked, and you scroll down and go to USB debugging. So these two settings, USB debugging and USB debugging security settings, must be ticked or must be on. And of course you will receive warnings, because USB debugging is kind of uh, dangerous in a sense. So once you have enabled USB debugging, then you can now connect your phone to a USB and run the SCRCPY application. And that's it. Your screen is now connected. Now, if you will notice, if you will recall, in the web page of SCRCPY, they have described their app as for display and control your Android device. So with that, I will demonstrate that I can. So you will notice I'm gonna swipe here in my phone, and you will notice that the mirrored display is also swiping. But I can also do that using my PC. So if I use my mouse, oh, so yeah, that one, that's what happens. So if I use my mouse instead and swipe, you will notice that I'm not touching my phone, but the display of my phone is also changing. So there's also a swiping, there's a scrolling, and you can even type. So for instance, I'm gonna go to search, for instance. So instead of typing on the virtual keyboard on your phone, you can use your keyboard on your computer and search, and you will notice that it will also search automatically on your phone. So aside from mirroring, it can also control your phone. So you can, if you're lazy enough, you can send a text message here, or type a text message here, or make a reminder on your PC, or using your PC rather. Okay, so for my case, I'm actually using this for my OBS, for my video lesson. So I have students wherein I demonstrate what application they will use. For instance, in my class, I'm using the Moodle application. So I can click here using my hand on my phone, or I can use the mouse on my PC to open Moodle. So that one. So I show them what's the content of my course, how to do their assignments, how to do their activities, and so on. So that's actually what screen mirroring, the purpose of why I want screen mirroring on my video lessons, so that I can do a tutorial to my students on how to use an app, how to navigate in Android, things like that. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something, and I will see you again, hopefully in the next tutorial. So goodbye. Blah, 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 blah.